Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks, and I did a video today about this problem somebody was having. She's got an object off the page that we cannot find. So if you hit F4, it brings this to a zoom, and you can't grab anything. Nothing shows up. Don't really know what's going on or where it's at. But I did a copy and paste and delete everything. And Eskimo, a friend of mine, internet friend that does a bunch of macros, that's real Corel knowledgeable. And I knew this, but I wasn't thinking about it at the time. If you use the shift button, so if you go to edit, select all objects, and then hold down your shift button and lasso or marquee around that unselected that item, and then we're going to hit delete. Now, if we hit the F4 button, we just get our object. The other two objects are gone. Now, there's another way you can look at it. Let's go back. We're going to hit F4 and see it zooms out so far because there's an object back there. And we'll get rid of our shift button. And another way you can look for something is go to Windows, Dockers, Objects, and select this, and it'll highlight everything blue that's in that marquee. Well, you can see that there's two that's white, and that's those objects. I just wondered if we could try this. If we can click on that item, will it show it up? Let's hit F4, and now let's click on this item, and it evidently must be locked or something, or nope, it's not locked. I'd like to know how you could find that object, because we can't find that object. It's nowhere to be seen. I mean, I'm out as far as you can zoom, and I select everything. I mean, I can't even select everything because it's so far out. I mean, we're at 2,200 inches, 2,300 inches. So if you select everything and you've got two items that aren't selected, you can hit that item and hit delete, hit that item and hit delete, and then when you hit the F4 key, you get just your panel. So that's two ways to do it. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.